Spotify, no internet connection, how to fix easily. So if you're having these issues on the Spotify app, first of all, just do as it tells, and that is to check your internet connection, because most of the times that could simply be the case. Your Wi-Fi might not be working properly, so you might want to confirm with other apps and other people who are near you. Just ask if your Wi-Fi is working just fine, right? So make sure it's not an issue with the internet connection. Once you've made sure of that, what we are trying to do is we can also head over to our app store and simply search for the Spotify app. Check if the Spotify app is updated to the latest version. If it isn't, make sure to update it using the update button right there. If it says open, it means it's already updated to the latest version, by the way. Now after you've done that, the next step that you want to do, go to settings, then go to general, go to iPhone storage, and from there you'll find the option that says Spotify. So just make sure to tap the Spotify option, and there you can see the offload app button. Tap on offload app, tap on offload from the bottom. After you've offloaded it, you'll find the reinstall button. So reinstall the app, or also delete the app and re-download it. You can also try to restart your iPhone or any of the other devices you're using it on to hopefully solve the problem. But either way, hopefully some of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.